Now the auger and hopper is moved. During transportation, or maybe move out the hopper to clean. Then we want to adjust the hopper back to the initial position. Move back the hopper by hand. Watch if it is in the center of the cup. Click Y17 filling cylinder. When Y17 is on, it will lock the auger. Then make sure the auger into the cup. Tighten these two screws. After the screws are tightened, click Y17 a few times. Make sure the auger is in the center and locked. Then press jog. Move another cup in. Check again by click Y17. Check each mold. Until every mold is hold the auger in the center. Then the auger position is fine.